What is up, guys? I'm here at the track with my new car. It's gonna be a 2024 Mustang GT 5.0 with the 810 automatic, 355 gears, bone stock car. As is, like it came from the dealer, no modifications done, not even a tire on this car. Did come with 265, 35, 20s, all season tires. And really, we're here to get some 0 to 60 hits and some 8th mile hits. I did do some street hits on it and hit a 8.1, so we're hoping to be at the 7s at the track with better traction, hopefully. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys out on the track. What is up, guys? We are in the staging lanes at Irwindale drag strip, 8th mile. We are in drag mode, traction control off, stability control off. We got the draggy connected. And yeah, we'll see you on the pass. Alright, guys, let's do a pass breakdown. I went an 804 on the draggy and an 8.265 on the track slip. The reason for that is because I did start after the starting line. But yeah, guys, also I want to mention the DA, 1900 DA, 77 degrees. I am on 91 octane. That's what I have to work with out here in California. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that first pass. Second pass of the day breakdown, it went flawless. The slips basically are an identical match. The DA dropped about 100 and we dropped about 2 degrees in weather from 77 to 75. Not the best conditions, but that's what we got to work with here today. All right, guys, so I do have some bonus content for you guys. After the track, we did hit the scales and the car is with half a tank of gas. It weighs 3920 with half a tank of gas, and then with me in it, it weighs 4100. So it's a heavy car, but we're gonna get some weight out of it and do some mods, and you guys will see. Hopefully we can get it into the 3600 pound range. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for the support, and I'll catch you on the next one with some mods.